up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Shar, for those of you who are new here, and for those of you who are not, welcome back. You a real one. Thanks for returning to the gang where we do our thing. This is going to be an early start to the fall videos, but school is starting back soon. I got inspired by the Morphe 9C Jewel Crew palette. I did decide to do a nice fall purple smoky cut crease action. I don't know, I've been really into the smoky. My last look was like a blue smoky eye thing, and this one is like a purple smoky eye little vibe. It's time to kind of start getting revving and running because summer is coming to a close, and I've already done 2 summer looks on this channel. Truthfully, I'm over it. I'm sorry. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. Go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up as well. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. That lets me know that you guys are picking up the content that I am putting down for you. So go ahead and do that as well. Join the gang where we do our thing. We are comfortable, we are confident, we are unique here on this channel. I want y'all to be all 3 of those things. You need to want to be all 3 of those things for yourself. So go ahead, hit subscribe, join the fam, join the crew. You know how we do. Let's go ahead and get into the look, because it is popping. Alright, so let's get started. We're going to use that orange soda color from the Soft Glam ABH palette, and we're going to use it as what I call a safe base. So I put this all over the lid, and you use this color to blend everything back into. That way, if things start to get a little too intense for you or things start getting a little messy, you always have a nice light neutral shade to just blend everything back into to help you out. So then going in with Stone Fox from the Jewel Crew palette, we are going to use that as our main crease color. And I actually decided to use that same dense, fluffy crease brush to apply that because it packs on a lot of shadow at a time, really makes it high pigment. And we are just doing that in a back and forth motion all over the lid, like I said, to pack on that base crease color. So now I am taking a Real Techniques fluffy blending brush, and I am blending orange soda and Stone Fox together. Like I said, you want to make sure your blend is seamless and blending everything into each other. I am then going to go in with the shade Rich Girl from the palette with a fluffy Morphe crease brush, and we're going to use that plum color and just pack it onto the lid. So the reason I use a fluffy brush for this is because you can determine how light or dark you want your shades to be using this brush, because it doesn't pack on nearly as much pigment at a time. Of course, I'm going full on intensity, so it gets a little crazy for me. But like I said, when you use a fluffy crease brush, you can decide how little or how much you want to use. And then of course you want to make sure you go through and just blend everything back together no matter what. It's all about the blend, honey. That's how you make it seamless. So then I'm going with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Cool Tan, and I'm pre-concealing my blemishes. I usually do this first because I also use it to catch any excess eyeshadow, but I forgot, so I'm doing it right now. Don't judge me. So I went ahead and cut my crease off camera. I did a half cut crease for this look, and I am taking that Rich Girl shade and I am just blending my outer corner color into my cut crease, because that's how you make sure everything looks seamless and flawless when you apply your lid color. Makes blending 10 times easier. So if you don't do this, it's a great technique to start doing when you're doing your cut creases. So then I go in with the shade Hidden Gem. It is a darker brownish purple color with a little bit of shimmer to it. And I actually started using a loose lid brush to start packing this sucker on to the outer corner of my crease. I then take the shade Purple Rain on a flat lid brush that I have dampened with some setting spray, and I'm packing that all over the lid and just going with the shape of my cut crease that I have carved out. And this is just so pretty, you guys. I love this color. It's very lavender-esque, but when everything is blended out, it kind of looks more pink. So I really love this color. Once again, like I said, you want to make sure you are blending for your life, honey. Blend for your life. So for my eyeliner, I decided to use the ABH Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony, and I'm using a Morphe angled liner brush to apply that. I just felt like black liner would be a little bit too harsh for this look, and I wanted to be the main focus to be the eyeshadow, not the eyeliner, so I did a very soft wing using this Ebony shade because it's a little bit more brown. I then go in with the Benefit Hello Happy foundation and I start applying that, and it actually was a little bit drying for me. I wasn't too happy with the results from this. The shade match was pretty spot on, but it was difficult to apply as well. Like I said, a little bit drying. Even with my hydrating primer that I used in this video beforehand, I used the MAC Strobe Cream Hydrant and I still had issues with it being a little dry. As well, it's very light coverage, so I did have to go with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C13 to give myself a little bit more coverage. And I made sure I just blended everything out. I then went back in with my Pro Concealer in the same shade, Cool Tan, to conceal under my eye. And I did a very light amount because my technique is to do a small amount in the places that you need it, and then taking a damp sponge and just patting it out in place so that it doesn't overly highlight, and you'll see me doing that in this video. So I'm just patting it in place where it is and then blending it out with the leftover foundation from my stippling brush to make it look more seamless yet still giving me that highlight. And then I set my makeup with the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder in medium, and then I pat everything out using the excess product from my foundation. I then go back to the eyes and add that Purple Rain color to my brow bone, and then I take the two plum colors, Rich Girl and Hidden Gem, and use that for my lower lash line. I also applied Ardell Wispy Lashes off camera. I am now going in with the Black Radiance Beauty True Complexion Contour Kit in the medium to dark. This technique is basically the same. I took a dense yet fluffy contour slash blush brush from BH Cosmetics to apply a small amount of the darkest shade onto my cheeks to contour, and then I buff it out with the Real Techniques buffing brush, and then I take the second darkest shade and use it to contour my nose. I then go in with the Makeup Revolution Sugar and Spice Blush Kit, and I take the two shimmery blushes and apply those, and then I spray myself with the NYX Dewy Setting Spray before adding the ABH Sun Dipped Glow Kit Highlighter to my face using a BH Cosmetics Fluffy Highlighting Brush. I then take this red lip liner that I got at the beauty supply store. I think it's NK lip liner. And then I go over that lip liner with a pink shade, which I got from Bare Minerals. It is going to be their matte lipstick in the shade Swag. I used it in my previous video, and I just love this combination. I feel like they went really, really well together. I love the way this blended out. As you will see, I'm blending it for my life. Even on the lips, honey, you gotta blend. And then I spray myself with the Morphe setting spray, and then the look is all finished. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you did enjoy the look and you want full details for yourself, there will be a link to my Instagram with all the look details down below. So go ahead, check that out. As well, go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up if you were digging it. If you think I am a brown skin goddess, go for it as well. If you are loving all this brown skin goodiness, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you have not already, do not block your blessings. The year is already over, halfway over. I'm just trying to help y'all be great. That's all I'm trying to do. Go ahead. We are comfortable, we are confident, we are unique here on this channel. I have plans, so I'm going to go ahead and skedaddle. Thank y'all so much for watching. I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.
I'm sorry, baby, but we only sweat the checks. So honestly, baby, you can be next. Playing with both sides like you playing with regret. Playing with this size like you playing